Listen carefully to the passage. Try to understand the main idea and details. If needed, pause the video and listen again. You can replay the passage as many times as you want before moving on to the questions.
It is a cold and rainy day. Dark clouds cover the sky, and the streets are wet. Tom looks out the window and sees people with umbrellas walking quickly. He decides not to go outside today. Instead, he stays home and enjoys the quiet weather. He wears warm clothes, makes a cup of hot chocolate, and sits on the couch. Tom watches his favorite TV show and then reads a book about space. Later, he listens to soft music and writes in his journal. He loves rainy days because they help him slow down and relax. For Tom, staying at home on a rainy day is peaceful and special.
Now, it's time for the quiz. Answer the following 5 questions based on what you just heard. Write down your answers and check how many you got right. Don't forget to share your score in the comments.